I came home from LA for Christmas and this is what I ended up doing, fixing my dad's car.
Now Amanda's kindly volunteered to have a look at these two window regulators in the front half of this Golf. And she will be able to do that little job, not complicated. Not complicated at all. I think that's got it. Should have just the same amount of pressure on each one. Now, the next thing what you got to do is, after you've taken off that bit of plastic there, is you've got to unscrew all them bolts all the way around there. Now, when you're in that, half the side of the door is going to come off.
We're just trying to keep it intact though, if we can.
Right, okay, so get it gently with both hands, ease it out gently. Just do this carefully. Not outwards, just a long ways. Carefully, nice and firmly. Screws ache. No, it's not a... Now you should get under it. Handedly.
come out with it. Just wiggle it very gently so you can see what's behind there.
Okay, it is.
The windows on both sides of the vehicle had stopped working, and the regulator wire on one side was rusted out and broken, and the other side it had started parting and snagged itself up into a mess, and that's why it wouldn't roll the window up and down anymore. And then just keep it in there. Now, don't lift it right up, and you've got to go behind the door lock. And then let it lean your hands. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I hope you found that moderately interesting. Luckily Amanda was here to do the work. I just supplied the tools. T20, T30 Torx, 13mm ring spanner, flat-headed screwdriver. Not the most difficult job in the world, something easy DIY job for most competent people. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you'll be able to see what else we get up to.